Welcome back to PSC Tech Byte. Today we are going to talk about the Teams Channel Picker component of the Microsoft Graph Toolkit library. This is a component really useful to allow users to select, to choose a channel in any of the teams they joined. It is programmatically accessible. In fact, you can use it to select a specific channel or to get the selected channel team and channel ID, as well as you can programmatically override the rendering of the main UI elements of the rendering of this component. As well as you can subscribe to events like, for example, the event that will be triggered whenever the selection will change. You can customize the CSS style like always with the Microsoft Graph Toolkit, as well as you can redefine some of the templates, and specifically you can customize the template for loading or for error. So, like always, let me move to the demo environment and let me show you how to work with this component. So, like always, here we have the component in action. You can see here we have a selection drop-down that I can use to browse all of the teams that I join in my dev tenant. And I can, for example, select a specific channel. If I press F12, I can show you in the console that we have a custom event whenever we make a new selection. And inside the custom event, we have information about the channel and the team, which is in fact what I'm showing here. So here we have the team with its channels, and here we have the selected channel with its ID inside the team. How can we do that? Well, we simply need to use the mgt-teams-channel-picker component. We can get a reference to the component in our JavaScript code, like I'm doing right here. And then we can subscribe, for example, to the selection changed event. And in that one, in the event input argument, we will get a reference to the detailed information about the event and specifically about the team and the channel. Like always with MGT, you can always work with a custom template, providing the key of the custom template that you want to override. And as I told you, you can override the loading and the error template, or you can extend the mgt-teams-channel-picker component and you can override a bunch of methods to customize the rendering of the UI. Like always, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting and I'm really looking forward to seeing you next week. And remember, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.